Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to remove timing on Canva. So guys, I have this presentation as you can see here. If you want to see this presentation, click the website and click publish website. This is my presentation as you can see here guys, and click this one. After that I have this timeline. If you want to remove timeline, click the dot right here and click hid timer and click this option start auto apply. As you can see here, and I don't see any timer. As you can see here guys, you can auto apply your presentation from here and click. If you want to show timer, click this one. If you want to reheat, click heat, and you will find different option here. If you want to add autoplay, click this one or start autoplay, and you will see your autoplay here. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon.